Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, my knitting adventure. My name is Vicky and today I'm going to show you how to fix lost stitches in your knitting work. Well, it happens to the best of us, but with a few simple techniques you can easily repair any mistakes and keep your project looking perfect. So I've got an example of a lost stitch here. You can see there's a hole where the stitch should be. Yeah. But not to worry, because you're going to fix it together. So what we're going to do is use a knitting needle or a crochet. So what you're going to do is to carefully pick up the dropped stitch. How? We're going to use the crochet, which I prefer, and then pull the remaining stitch up just to see the hole, the loop, okay? And then from the front to the back you grab the wool. There's a line there. Okay, you can see that there are two stitches lost here. So on the back you can see the lines. Yes, I've got a double knit now, so I've used double wool. So we're going to grab the first one on the ladder, the last one. There you go, this one. So from the front we're going to go back, grab it, and then pull it through the loop. There you go, that's it. Now these two here, and grab them, pull it through. Yeah, that works now, and it came through. Now we're going to do the same process. Pull it inside a loop, go back, grab the yarn, pull it front and pull it through the loop. There you go. So I've got it now. That's it. It's an easy one, isn't it? So what we're going to do, we're going to knit again, making sure we won't lose this. Okay, so let's start the knitting. You can either leave it here or you can either grab it again and put it on the needle. I prefer the safest way, which is to put it on the needle. So I'm just gonna take this like so. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the needle again, and that's it. But if your work is too big and it's impossible to do that, just make sure you use something to hold it, and when you go to the place where the hole was, the lost stitch was, you make sure you grab it together with the other. And there you have it. So the lost stitch is back in place, and you can even tell where the mistake was. Just remember to give your work a gentle tug to even out the tension. As you can see, it's a bit different here. So let's see how I can even it out. That's fine. Make sure it's even and it looks nice. And now you can continue with your project. A small tip now, to avoid losing stitches in the future, make sure you count your stitches regularly, or you can use stitch markers, or both, to keep track of your pattern. And if you do notice a mistake, don't be afraid to pause, take the time and fix it properly. Thank you so much. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please remember, knitting is all about practice, patience and fun. So don't get discouraged. If you make mistakes along the way, it's not an issue. You can always fix it. Go back and fix it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more knitting tutorials and creative DIY projects. I wish you happy knitting. Bye bye. Thank you.